If you've ever left a social event feeling emptier than when you arrived, if work chats never turn into real connections, I want you to know, adult friendships are not broken, but the rules have changed. I'm Motato, and I've discovered 10 unexpected ways to find your people without faking interest in golf or book clubs. Come on, let's follow these steps and go make friends together. Step 1. Meet briefly 3 times instead of one marathon hangout. Harvard research shows we bond faster through repeated micro-interactions. Try, let's grab 15-minute tea every Tuesday, instead of pressuring yourselves to spend the whole day together. 3 short meetups build more trust than one long one. Step 2. Swap "I'm fine" for "today was tough." A Berkeley study found sharing small struggles, even something as simple as "I burned my toast," makes you 83% more likable. The next time you're at a party, try saying, "I'm awkward at parties. Would you mind if I join you?" instead of pretending that you are confident. Step 3. Attend events for your quirks, not just based on your age or gender. Don't just seek women or men in their 30s. Instead, find people who geek out over your specific passions. That obscure hobby? There's a Facebook group for it. Let's bond over our shared weirdness. Step 4. Approach within 3 seconds, before overthinking. Neuroscience proves that we decide if we like someone in 0.1 seconds. Spot someone interesting? Move within 3 seconds with a low-stakes opener. How about, "That book changed my life too"? You get the drift, right? Step 5. Introduce others to bypass awkwardness. Feeling shy? Play matchmaker instead. The Journal of Social Psychology says introducing people makes you 70% more memorable. Plus, it takes pressure off you. Smart, eh? Step 6. Reconnect with acquaintances, not just strangers. Your barista, gym buddy, or old co-worker are weak ties, but they are also your perfect friendship seeds. Send them a text message. Again, it could be as simple as, "Hey, remember our conversation about so-and-so? I'd love to continue it over coffee." Step 7. End hangouts with a plan. Never say, "Let's do this again sometime." Instead say, "I'm free Thursdays. Want to try that new cafe next week?" Specificity increases follow-through by 300%. Step 8. Invite people to low-commitment activities. Open-ended invites, something like "come by if you're free," feels safer. Here's an insight. Hosting a person or even a small group of people positions you as a connector. It doesn't have to be a big event. Even 2 guests can spark lifelong friendships. Step 9. Practice deep listening. Replace "how's work" with soulful questions. What's lighting you up these days? UCLA found deep listeners get 4 times more friendship invitations. Step 10. Let some friendships fade without guilt. Not every friendship will last forever, and that's healthy. Thank fading friends for their season in your life, then make space for new connections aligned with who you are now. Remember, the best friendships aren't found, they're built through consistent and courageous little hellos. Let's start watering our hellos around and grow our garden of friends.